Hi, this is Nir from NoviSign Digital Signage. We're at ISE Amsterdam 2020. This is our booth and I'm going to show you some IoT stuff. That means Internet of Things. Look at that button box. We have 3 boxes here. We have one for White Russian, one for Martini, and last one for Pina Colada. And these are meant for voting. So let's say I'd like to vote for the Pina Colada. I just press that button and what did I see? Thank you for voting for Pina Colada. And if I like to see their results, they're on that screen being taken from the web. So my vote went here. If you don't measure things, it doesn't count. We like to measure things. And another interesting thing is, for example, this one. I'm taking this Absolute vodka bottle, which has a barcode here. I'm going to put it on this barcode scanner. I'm going to scan it. You see, just like that. Okay, watch the screen. Now it's going to suggest me a recipe to be made from the Absolute vodka. This one is for White Russian. Isn't that cool? I think that every store should have that kind of thing of barcode scanner connected to the screen, and this brings life to all your products. Think about it. Thank you for visiting. This is Nir from NoviSign, signing out.